need to try these accordion potatoes. My family and I love them. Cut a russet potato into a rectangle. Put skewers on either side so you don't cut all the way through. Then cut thinly straight across, flip, and cut across diagonally on the other side. Then put it on a skewer and stretch it out a little. Stick them in cold water to help remove the starch, then brush with your favorite oil and spices and bake until desired crispiness. They're so good. How to make potato roses. Start by thin slicing your potato and then lay the slices out in a line slightly overlapping each other. Add oil and salt and roll them up, placing them in a greased muffin tin. Bake in the oven until crispy, and don't forget the secret sauce. Put your leftover mashed potatoes to good use and make Duchess potatoes. You'll add a little extra ghee and then gently fold in egg yolks. Using a pastry bag and a large star tip, you'll pipe them onto a baking mat in a circular motion. Even if you're like me and you don't get the piping exactly right, they're still delicious and the crispy edges are next level.